It's always so pleasing to open Apple product. Is always amazing. They take care of the experience is always So there you go. You hear that? So it's a 8 gig unified memory with 256 gig SSD. So it's just the basic. And for me, I don't need that too much power. I just need something basic to do a few stuff. So for me, I don't need to spend $1,000 on it. So there you go. I'll put this one on the side. Okay, yeah. Ooh, nice. It's clean, very clean. All very clean. Okay, let's put this one on the side. Let's check what is in the box. Okay, like always, designed by Apple in California. So is here the paperwork. They give us gray stickers, all the meaning, how to use the manual really. It's coming power, Infinite, HDMI, USB-A, so 2 of them, Thunderbolt 4, so it's 2 of them as well. So here you go, the mini, all the paperwork here. You can see clear. Put it back inside. Well, nice. Now, and just the cables to power the Mac Mini. All the experience is always, awesome with Apple. All they take care of their packaging. Let's give them they are really good. Anytime I open any Apple product, is like ooh. So here you go. Okay, come on, buddy, let's go. There you go, the power. So all these things we put it back in. Keep it clean. And also I always love to keep my Apple product box all the time, just in case if I decide to sell them. That's it really. Now the cable is here, the product is here. So that's basically what is in the box, nothing fancy. And that's it really. So now let's peel. So you have to find the side that we can peel the product. So here we go, the peeling experience. So we go all the way from here. Nice. That's it really. So there you can see the internet port, 2 Thunderbolt, so 2 of them, HDMI, 2 USB, headphone jack, power switch, and the power port here. So this is the fan for sure, to kind of don't let it heat it. So it's really so now that's it really. This one I'll remove it, but I'm not going to remove just to keep it in the way I just gonna put it this way like that to protect it whenever it's sitting somewhere. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. I don't know, I just keep it clean. It's just really nothing else. So yeah, this is the unboxing. You hope you enjoyed the video. Nothing fancy, it's just Mac Mini, power charge, and that's it really. I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and if you enjoyed the video, I hope you see you in the next one.